heart safety pin to his backpack. His backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Out of his mind, the weight pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. Midday delusions are pushing this out of his head, maybe out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word, crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word from a bird. All he knows, if he can't believe it, it grows. And so it goes. He crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a his mind, the way it pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a worm from a bird. He's holding his breath after death. Terrified to save his life he crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird.
No, I won't die. The vampire blood I received will keep me alive for now. It's all right, Logan. I wouldn't be willing to throw away my life as easily as that.